Action stations of missile attack. Take report of action stations.
Prepare tube for missile launch.
Submarines can be secret weapons that are so deadly. A number of countries in the world even have nuclear submarines, such as India, China, Britain, the United States, and Russia. But submarine operations are also very risky. Wednesday, April 21, the Indonesian submarine KRI Nanggala 402 was lost while carrying out the torpedo shooting exercise in northern Bali waters. 3 days later, Saturday, April 24, the ship of Naval Staff Admiral Yudo Margono changed the status of KRI Nanggala for submiss, or the lost ship, become a sub-sunk, or the submarine is declared sunk.
Dalam kapal selam, dan ini tidak akan terangkat keluar kapal apabila tidak ada tekanan dari luar atau terjadi keretakan di peluncur torpedo.
Submarine rescue has a high degree of difficulty because it is dealing with ocean currents and underwater pressure. Rescue can use an underwater robot equipment with sonar to determine the position of the submarine that was lost. After it was found that the submarine crew could be evacuated above sea level using a special rescue tube or SRC, but the SRC tube rescue method can only be used up to a maximum depth 250 meters. Another way the rescue can take is to send special submarine like the owned by the MV Swift Rescue Ship from Singapore. Swift Rescue can launch search and rescue submarines that can evacuate submarine crew from under the sea. Swift Rescue has also previously played a role in finding the wreckage of the AirAsia KZ-8501 in the Java Sea in 2015.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning viewers, still with me Zahira Salwa Nur Hasina, who will accompany you today in Thursday 27 April 2021. For the next few minutes to present the last and most current information about KRI Nanggala 402. The status of the KRI Nanggala 402 submarine, which was lost in the northern waters of Bali, has been raised from the previous status of submiss or lost contact to sub-sunk or drowned. The Indonesian Navy believes that the sinking of the KRI Nanggala 402 submarine was not due to human error. The determination of the status of KRI Nanggala 402 to drown was carried out on Saturday, 24 April 2021 yesterday, after the TNI found a number of authentic evidence. Chief of the Navy, KASL Admiral TNI Yudo Margono, stated that the cause of the reef on the KRI Nanggala 402 was the sinking of the ship that exceeded its maximum depth range. It is known according to the manufacturer KRI Nanggala 402 can dive at a depth of 200 until 500 meters. KRI Nanggala 402, also known as Nanggala 2, is the second sub in the Chakra class submarine. However, it is suspected that the ship sank to a depth of 850 meters below sea level. Based on the authentic evidence found, it signals the position of KRI Nanggala 402 in drowned position. The authentic evidence found includes, for example, torpedo tube truces, cooling pipe wrappers, and orange bottles, which are commonly used as submarine periscope lubricants. Dear viewers, then there will be my colleagues who are around the location of the incident, who will tell you what the current situation and condition is like. I leave it to Rida Rolista.
Well, thanks to Jahira Sawa, Nurhasina, who was in the studio for the current condition the search for KRI Nanggala 4002, the which lost contact in the waters of Bali, is still being carried out. TNI Commander Hadi Cahyanto said that KRI Nanggala 4002 was proven downed based on authentic evidence of the discovery of oil and debris spill. With Naval Admiral Yudo Margono said the search team found a number of objects believed to have come from submarine. Yudo added that it is suspected that there was a tag that caused different objects in the submarine to be lifted off. KRI Nanggala 4002 was declared lost contact in North Bali on Wednesday morning during a joint exercise of firing torpedoes and missiles from the Indonesian Navy. The submarine was carrying 53 TNI soldiers. Until now, it has not been found and is still the search for the KRI Nanggala 4002 submarine is also being carried out together with assistance from various countries or neighboring countries. The focus of the search was centered on the location where the magnet was detected by KRI Rimau in the waters of the island of Bali. Well, before that I have a snippet of a press conference run by the TNI commander. Well, here is an excerpt.
Operasi SAR KRI Nanggala telah memasuki hari ketiga menuju hari keempat sejak dinyatakan submiss atau hilang kontak pada tanggal 21 April 2021 dini hari. TNI Angkatan Laut bersama Kepolisian Negara Republik Indonesia, Basarnas, KNKT, dan BPPT, serta aset negara sahabat seperti Australia, Amerika Serikat, Singapura, Malaysia telah berupaya dan semaksimal mungkin untuk mencari keberadaan KRI Nanggala. Pagi dini hari tadi merupakan batas akhir life support berupa ketersediaan oksigen di KRI Nanggala selama 72 jam. Unsur-unsur TNI Angkatan Laut telah menemukan tumpahan minyak dan serpihan yang menjadi bukti otentik menuju fase tenggelamnya KRI Nanggala.
Well, that's a little snippet related to the press conference. Furthermore, currently I am with one of the families of the crew victim from the KRI Nanggala 4002 submarine. Well, before that, did the victim have time to do anything before leaving for the tea?
Well, introduce myself. My name is Ihsan, a friend of one of the crew of the Nanggala submarine. Before going on the tea, he just said that there will be submarine training in the Bay of Bali, and said goodbye to me and other friends. We also had time to take picture with him before going to Bali.
What is the current situation at the victim's family residence now?
At the residence of the victim family now, of course, he is waiting for certainty news regarding the Nanggala submarine. The victim family hopes to be anxious and worried, but we are sure and must be sure that the Nanggala submarine will be found and all the crew will be safe. For now, just pray the family of the submarine crew will be given patience and fortitude.
In your opinion, is there any possibility if the KRI Nanggala submarine was found intact?
I am a friend of one of the crew of the ship. Yes, clearly I hope to be found in full and the entire submarine crew survive. What is clear now, we can only pray to the best result and be given smooth and easy for the Nanggala submarine seekers.
So many reports that I got. I am Rida Rolista reporting from the scan. I returned into Jahirasawa, who was in the studio.
Thank you to my college, Rida Rolista. Now that we have arrived in our studio, one of the marine experts, Miss Sawa Afifah Putri, who we will interview a little about the incident experienced by KRI Nanggala 402. Well, Miss Salwa, how long will the oxygen reserve in the ship run out?
Regarding the oxygen resistance in the submarine only reaches 72 hours if the submarine is 300 meters below sea level. However, if the ship's position exceeds the depth, the oxygen will be depleted. There is an allegation that the KRI Nanggala 402 did not experience a blackout because before diving into the water, the lights on the submarines were observed to be still on. This is based on reports from the Frog Troop Tracking Ship or Kopaska, which is 50 meters from the KRI Nanggala, still hearing sights of war. If you don't experience a blackout, your oxygen reservoirs can last up to 5 days.
Will the pressure caused by cracks or even splitting on the ship?
Yes, that's right. Too much pressure at depth of 850 meters can cause large cracks in the walls of the submarine. The suspicion arose because the pieces of goods on board were able to get out and then be found. Then it is possible that water will enter from the crack. However, there may be parts of the room where water does not enter because the room dividers.
If the crew tries to get off the ship and swim into the sea, is it impossible?
The first thing to know is the submarines don't have emergency doors that can be opened freely. Submarine doors are much more complicated than one might imagine because they are designed to be inaccessible to seawater. To replace it, there is a rescue compartment where water cannot enter this part because it has an isolation system, even though other parts of the submarine have leaked. It is in this compartment that the crew can save themselves. Their chance of survival also depend on the depth of the water in which the submarines are located.
Well, thank you so much to Miss Hawa Afifah Putri for being pleased to be present with us here and for sharing the information. I hope the KRI Nanggala submarine will be found soon. We all hope that all ship passengers can be saved and their families can be given patience and strength in waiting for the best result in this searching for KRI Nanggala 402. That's enough news that I have to say at this time. Stay updated about the current situation and conditions. Stay healthy, viewers. I am Zahira Salonur Hasina and my colleague Rida Rolista who are outside the studio. See you in the next news. Good morning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.